Windows 10 never had to become out of support. It became heavy because Microsoft kept stacking things you never asked for. Tiny 10 Reborn strips that wait away and rebuilds the system for 2026. Zero bloat, extended security updates, the speed Windows 10 used to have. The familiar OS returns, but sharper, cleaner, and ready for modern workloads. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus. Let's get started. Building Tiny 10. Reborn follows a simple and controlled workflow. Start by opening the creator using the official link in the pinned comment. Press build and the tool will take over the process. It fetches the required packages and automatically assembles the Tiny 10 installer. You can leave it running in the background while it completes the job. If you prefer not to build it locally, you can also use the Ready installer from the official site. Both methods are supported. Make sure you use a valid Windows license. Only clean and legal installations are supported. The time required depends on your internet speed and system hardware. Once the process completes, the log will display build finished successfully. That message confirms your installer is ready. Never download Tiny 10 from unofficial sites. This carries serious risk. Many third-party builds include hidden malware or spyware. They can steal personal data, compromise accounts, or damage your system. Always use the official creator or the verified installer from our website. Now let us move to Zeno. This tool lets you install Tiny 10 without creating a bootable USB. Zeno comes included in the package. Open it. Select the Tiny 10 installer you created earlier. Choose the drive where you want the system installed. Make sure the drive is empty because the process will erase everything on it. Set the file system to NTFS, confirm the settings, and start the installation. Zeno handles the rest automatically. The process usually finishes within a few minutes. When it is done, restart your computer. You should see a new dual boot entry for Tiny 10. If it does not appear, you can easily add it using a BCD tool, such as EasyBCD or Visual BCD. In future updates, we plan to simplify this step even further. That completes the setup. No USB required, no extra preparation. If Zeno does not work for your setup, you can use the traditional USB method with Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Back up any important files because the drive will be wiped. Open Rufus. Select the Tiny 10 installer. Choose the USB device. Start the creation process. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your USB speed and hardware. When it finishes, the bootable USB is ready. Restart your PC and open the boot menu. Most systems use F12, F8, or Escape. Select the USB drive. If you are unsure about the correct key for your device, a quick search with your laptop or motherboard model will show it. The Tiny 10 installer will launch automatically. The installation flow is simpler than a normal Windows setup. You go directly to the drive selection page. Choose the correct drive carefully because the selected disk will be overwritten. You can configure language later, so it is fine to skip that step for now. When installation finishes, you land on a clean Tiny 10 desktop. If you prefer not to reinstall Windows but still want better performance, you can use Velotic. It transforms your current system into a Tiny 10 style setup with just a few clicks. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time without breaking Windows. You get 500+ professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloater page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. After installation through Rufus or Xeno, the system boots straight into Tiny 10. The first step is compression. Open the Configure app. Go to the compression section. Press Enable. This reduces the system footprint by up to 60%, freeing a large amount of disk space without affecting stability. For most users, this setting works perfectly. If you ever notice a slowdown, you can disable it instantly. When compression completes, Tiny 10 runs at full speed. The entire operating system occupies roughly 5 GB, while a normal Windows installation takes far more space. Boot times improve, applications launch faster, memory usage stays lower. Tiny 10 Reborn is tuned for speed and reliability. It works well on older laptops, low-end desktops, and modern systems that simply do not need unnecessary software. We will publish full benchmark results soon on our partner channel HT. That video will go live in a few days, and you can find it through the pinned comment. Now that Tiny 10 is running, let us connect it to the internet. Open the Configure app and choose your preferred browser. I'm selecting Chrome, but you can also install Edge, Opera, or Firefox. Tell me which browser you use in the comments. I read them all. Chrome installs in seconds with a single click. Once you are online, check out my YouTube channel and our partner channel. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. You will also find a Discord link in the description. Join the community, talk with other Tiny 10 and Velotic users, get support when needed, and see early previews of upcoming releases. If you encounter sudden crashes or memory errors, there's a quick fix. Open the Configure app. Enable paging files. Restart the system. This resolves most stability problems. Paging files are disabled by default to keep the system footprint small. Turning them on gives Windows extra memory space and prevents most out-of-memory errors. Now let us move to drivers. Drivers control your graphics card, audio devices, network adapters, and input hardware. Tiny 10 keeps this process safe and simple. You do not need to search random websites or run questionable installers. Open the Configure app. Select Install Drivers. Choose the driver your system requires. If you want everything installed automatically, press Install All. Do you need drivers? In most cases, yes. For gaming or video editing, proper graphics drivers are essential. Laptop drivers control the touchpad, touchscreen, and function keys. Desktop drivers enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and power management. Once installation finishes, your hardware operates exactly as intended. Fast response, stable performance, full compatibility. Next, let us change the system language. If English is not your preference, Tiny 10 allows easy language switching. Open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Open Language. You will see the languages currently installed. Select Add a language. Search for the language you want. Spanish, German, Polish, and Portuguese are common examples. Press Next, enable Set as my Windows display language, and click Install. Windows will fetch and apply the language pack. The time required depends on your internet speed and the size of the package. Menus and interface text update automatically. After installation finishes, sign out and sign back in. Your desktop, start menu, and system dialogues will now appear in the new language. Return to the same settings page and open Administrative Language Settings. Enable the checkboxes shown on screen. This applies the language to the welcome screen, system prompts, and all user accounts. At this point, the entire Windows interface will match your selected language. You will find the purchase link for Tiny 10 Reborn in the pinned comment. Tiny 10 is a paid service built for users who want speed, privacy, and dependable daily use. The system feels light. It stays responsive. It behaves consistently every day. Free custom builds exist across the internet. Many break after short use or hide keyloggers and other threats. The choice is simple. We provide a secure, professionally built system. You get a Windows installation that remains stable for years. Thanks for watching. This is Apidus, signing off.